y'all, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing this beautiful unit from IDefine, and a special shout out to them for sending me this beautiful unit. This is their beautiful packaging. It's very simple, very cute, very demure. Now let's check out what's inside, because I know that's what y'all came here for. Of course, the wig comes inside, a pamphlet for the hair care, and I love how they have the pamphlet for the hair care, because not everybody's a pro at installing hair. So, that helps out for the beginners, and a wig cap. Now that we've gone over that, let's get into the details of the wig. This is their glueless layered cut YAKI bob with bangs. It is in straight, a 13x4 lace frontal and 10 inches. The knots come pre-bleached. Hairline comes pre-plucked. The color is a natural black. I'd say a 1B per se. It comes with adjustable straps, an elastic band to give you the option to wear it glueless.
Oh, hello, Papa. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Oh, hello, Papa.
moments where you get lost in the universe that you've created. One of the things that, I see you enjoy so much, and no matter how much you try to escape it, is this music. And it drives you, it gives you the energy you need to pursue in life. I mean, how many times have we talked about it and we kind of joked about it, but the expression of individualism through music is amazing. And, that's where your happy place is at. And it's hard to live in that place because not always is it the most sought after idea because of the high risk that it requires. You're dedicating yourself to something that you don't know is going to be there at the end. Pursuing and not enjoying what you have in your life in front of you in the very moment that you're doing it, then you're just pushing away time and hours for no reason. One of the most beautiful quotes I've ever heard is ignorance is, if you focus on what you have in front of you and stop trying to take everything around you, then life becomes that much more beautiful. You become ignorant to what's on the outside and you look inside. You tell yourself and you ask yourself, is what I'm doing this very second creating the momentum and the happiness to drive me forward? And a lot of individuals that are stuck in 9-to-5 jobs, you guys talk about it. Like, no, I don't do this for myself. I just do it for the money.
So this is the final look. Look at how it flows and how much body it has. I'm really impressed with the quality of the unit. My only con to this unit is I wish it was a little longer. I believe the 12-inch would give exactly what it needs to give, especially with the picture being the idea behind this look. I believe the 12 and the 14-inch would be exactly what you're looking for. But overall, this is a beautiful unit. It gives natural hair. But if you've made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.